My name is Michael Young, and I am an arbitrator and more generally a neutral at JAMS. I am considered one of the founders of JAMS. I was the person who initially founded the New York office in 1989. Over the course of time, I've been an executive. At one point, I was the acting CEO of JAMS. I have been on the board of JAMS. I acted as general counsel of JAMS. Until about 2020, I did a healthy mixture of both mediations and arbitrations. And over the last 3 or 4 years, I focused my practice on arbitration. The hallmarks of a successful arbitration needs to be looked at from two perspectives, from the perspective of the parties and the perspective of the arbitrator. From the perspective of the parties, one hopes that the parties are committed to the schedule that they've proposed, committed to trying to resolve disputes that might emerge along the way. From the arbitrator's perspective, understanding what each of the disputes that might be that arise along the way and moving very quickly to resolve them. Keeping the case on track, keeping the case on schedule, get the evidence into the record and ultimately get to the right answer. So the practice areas that I've developed an interest in, there are contract cases, there are other kinds of business-related disputes. I've become somewhat adept also at cross-border commercial disputes involving companies or individuals from different countries, insurance coverage disputes, professional liability matters, claims against either lawyers or claims against accountants/auditors. My background lends itself to neutral evaluation work in that I have strong analytic skills in a neutral evaluation. One is presented with some part of the record, some part of the law, and so it's the same skill set. My background lends itself to appraisals in that a part of the appraisal process is the same type of analytic approach of more facts than law usually. The appraisals I've been involved with are generally a little more technical, so I have the ability to think technically as well, and that's helpful. I try to overcome roadblocks or obstacles in arbitration by treating everybody respectfully but firmly. I interact well with people, and even though I am in a dominant position within the process, still everybody deserves respect and everybody deserves occasional smile, and I try to do that.